a good time to invest. Pero yun na nga, have that mindset na this is something that I'll hold on for a long period of time. Ang gusto ko nang sabihin is, huwag yung titignan yung PSEI index. Kasi, kung titignan yung individual stocks, there are so many stocks right now na nagbibigay ng dividends greater than 4%. Kasi diba, we're talking about digital banks giving 4%, sa'yo na tayo. Pero ang 4% ng digital banks, may 20% withholding tax. Ang cash dividends, 10% lang withholding tax. Pero ang kaibahan is, yung digital banks, may liquidity ka. Ang cash, yun nga, yung stocks, pag binili mo, baka maipit ka kasi baka bumaba yung price. But, if you have a long-term time horizon, kasi nga mura sila, may capital appreciation kayo, tapos ngayon, may mga 4%, may pang 7%.
Stocks, it's a very risky asset to own. So you have to be prepared. You have to do your research and due diligence. Ang daming information available naman dyan. So you just need to really monitor it. And then there are really good deals out there. Right?